Namaskar. Dear students, welcome. Today I am going to take a class on dynamics. I shall solve some problems. Suppose this problem is a point moves along a straight line so that its distance x from a fixed point on the line at any time t varies as t to the power k. T to the power k. If v be the velocity and f the acceleration at time t, we are to show that. पहले ध्यान दीजिए, we are to show this. इसमें क्या है? v velocity, acceleration and x, distance x. जो प्रूव करने जा रहा हूं इसमें डिस्टेंस है, वेलोसिटी है, डिस्टेंस वेलोसिटी एंड एक्सीलरेशन एफ. लेकिन इसमें आप ध्यान दीजिए के है लेकिन टी नहीं है. वी आर टू फाइंड द रिलेशन बिटवीन v, f and x, and in this relation k will be there, but we are to eliminate t. Let us try to solve this problem. In a shows that the fixed point on the straight line t at time t, distance x varies as t to the power k. Distance x varies as t to the power k. Distance x varies as time t to the power k. This means x equal to, suppose lambda t to the power k, lambda is a constant. Lambda is a constant. Lambda is a constant. Now, you see, suppose this is number 1. Differentiate this with respect to x, with respect to t. If you differentiate this with respect to t, you will get dx by dt lambda k t to the power k minus 1. Dx by dt, rate of change of displacement, it is velocity. Therefore, you will get the velocity equal to lambda k t to the power k minus 1. Suppose this is number 2. Now again differentiate this with respect to t. You will get dv by dt equal to lambda k into k minus 1 t to the power k minus 2. What is dv by dt? It is the acceleration f. Acceleration f. Rate of change of velocity is acceleration, and given that now number A1 is x and t, relation between x and t. Number 2, relation between v and t. Number 3, relation between f and t. इस तीनों रिलेशंस में से जस्ट t को एलिमिनेट कर दीजिए आप. Just you are to eliminate t between this. Now, to eliminate t, first you see divide 1 by 2. Divide 1 by 2. 1 divided by 2. 1 divided by 2 implies, this means that dividing the equation 1 by 2. Then you will get x divided by v equal to lambda t to the power k divided by lambda k t to the power k minus 1. This means x by v equal to lambda will be cancelled. You see the lambda, this lambda will be cancelled, and t to the power k minus k plus 1, t divided by k. T divided by k. This k will be there. This means t equal to, you will get x k divided by v. Suppose this is number 4. This is number 4. Now, this is number 4. Now, divide 2 by 1. 2 divided by 1. 2 divided by 3. 2 divided by 3. If you divide 2 by 3, you will get 2 divided by 3. V by f equal to lambda k t to the power k minus 1 divided by lambda k into k minus 1 t to the power k minus 2 t to the power k minus 2. You'll get this one. This means now here also lambda lambda will be cancelled. K will also be cancelled. T to the power k minus 1 divided by t to the power k minus 2. You will get t to the power k minus 1 minus k plus 2. This means t in the numerator. This means you will get v divided by f equal to t by k minus 1. K minus 1. This means t equal to, you will get v into k minus 1 divided by f. Now, suppose this is number 5. From 4 and 5, you will get. Now from 4 and 5, just let me, from 4 and 5, you will get. From 4 and 5. From 4 and 5. From 4 and 5, we get xk by v, xk divided by v equal to v into k minus 1 divided by f. This means you will get k minus 1 into v square equal to fxk. Now, you see, we have to prove that k minus 1 v square equal to kfx. This is the, just we have solved this one. Kfx. We have solved this one. Kfx. Now, let me solve another problem. Suppose this problem is the velocity of a particle moving along the x-axis is given by this. Velocity of a particle moving along the x-axis is this. V square equal to 9x minus x cube. Find its range of motion. Two parts, find its range of motion. And another part is, if f be its acceleration, then show that इसमें जो शो करना है, इसमें v और f है, v and f. No x is there. This means that we have to eliminate x. We have to find the relation which contains v and f but not x. V square equal to 9x minus x cube. V square is equal to 9x minus, suppose this one. V square equal to 9x minus x cube. V square is equal to 9x minus x cube. V square is equal to 9x minus x cube. V square is equal to 9x minus x cube. This means V square equal to x into 9 minus x square. V square is equal to x into 9 minus x square. You see here, left hand side of 1 is positive. V square, velocity square means this is positive. One must be, the right hand side of 1 must be positive. So one can also be written as, you may write it as 3 plus x into 3 minus x. 3 minus x. Suppose this one is this. 3 plus x into 3 minus x. V square is positive. A positive होगा कब? समझ लीजिए आप ए पॉजिटिव कब होगा? 1 पुट कर दीजिए इसमें. 1 पुट कर देने से पॉजिटिव होगा. 2 पुट कर दीजिए. 2 put code, this will be positive, this will be positive, and this will be also positive. If you put 4, then this will be positive, but this will not be positive. This will be negative. and the product will be eventually negative. Consequently, product will be negative. Therefore, right hand side of 1 will be positive. Right hand side of 1 will be positive. If x जो है ना वो 3 से छोटा होना पड़ेगा, इक्वल होने से भी कोई बात नहीं, एंड 0 इज लेस देन और x इज लेस देन और इक्वल टू 3, और एक कम कीजिए आप, -1 पुट कर देख लीजिए, -1 पुट करने से a -1 होगा, a भी -1 होगा, a भी a माइनस होगा, this term will be minus, this term -1 पुट कर देने से this term will be plus, and this term will be plus, minus plus minus plus plus, and consequently the product will be negative. It will not be positive. If you put 2, then this is -2, this is negative, this is positive, this is also positive. But if you put -4, then this will be positive, this will be negative, this will be negative, negative, positive, product will be positive. Therefore, x should be less than or is equal to -3. X should be less than or is equal to -3. Means -5 put कर दीजिए, -5, minus, and this will be plus, and product will be plus. Therefore, range of motion is this or this. Therefore, range of motion is Therefore, range of motion is either 0 is less than or is equal to x, less than or is equal to 3, or x is less than or is equal to -3. X lies between 0 and 3. X lies between 0 and 3. 0 and 3, or x is less than or is equal to -3. -4 put कर दीजिए, minus and plus. This range of motion is this or this. First part has been done. Now the second part is range of motion. If Fb is acceleration, then show that this one, then show that this. इसमें ज्यादा मत देखिए, एक ठू बात ही देखिए, v और f है, लेकिन इसमें x है ही नहीं. Eliminate x. Just eliminate x. Just first find the acceleration. F. Acceleration v दिया हुआ है in terms of x. V is given in terms of x. Therefore, you are to differentiate it with respect to x. अगर v in terms of t दिया होता तो you should have differentiated with respect to t. Then dv by dt is acceleration, v dv by dx, it is also acceleration. Now again v square equal to 9x minus x cube. 9x minus x cube. Differentiate this with respect to x. Differentiating this with respect to x. Twice v dv by dx equal to 9 minus 3x square. 9 minus 3x square. This means 2. It is nothing but f. V dv by dx is f. dv by dt is f. d2x by dt square is also f. Acceleration. V dv by dx is f. Twice f equal to 9 minus 3x square. बस हम लोगों को क्या करना है, x को एलिमिनेट करना है. इसीलिए आप एक काम कीजिए, thrice x square equal to 9 minus twice f. This means x square equal to 9 minus twice f divided by 3. ये बनाइए. x square equal to 9 minus 2f divided by 3. Divided by 3. Now, इस दोनों में से x स्क्वायर आपको एलिमिनेट करना है. यहां तक तो x स्क्वायर है, यहां तक तो x ही है. तो अगर इसको आप स्क्वायर कर दीजिए, स्क्वायर कर देंगे, लेकिन x स्क्वायर हो जाएगा. इस x स्क्वायर ये जो इस पे हम लोगों को वैल्यू मिला x स्क्वायर, इस x स्क्वायर का वैल्यू इसमें अगर पुट कर देंगे तो x स्क्वायर एलिमिनेट हो जाएगा और रिलेशन में सिर्फ v एंड f आएगा. इसीलिए तो वो हमारा जो पूछा गया सवाल है वो निकलेगा ही निकलेगा. अब देखिए ए नंबर टू. नाउ स्क्वायरिंग वन वी गेट. अब देखिए 1 को स्क्वायर कर दीजिएगा. स्क्वायर कर देने से squaring 1, you will get v to the power 4 x square 9 minus x square whole square. Now put the value of x square from this. This means v to the power 4 equal to 9 minus twice f divided by 3. 9 minus twice f divided by 3 whole square. इसमें लिखिए from 2 by 2 from 2. Using 2 we will get this one. Or v to the power 4 equal to 9 minus twice f divided by 3 into इसमें 9 27 minus 9 plus twice f whole square. You will get this one plus twice f whole square. Twice f whole square. Now you will get this one. Yeah. This means v to the power 4 equal to 9 minus twice f divided by 27 into 18 plus twice f whole square. Or 9 minus twice f divided by 27 to square into 9 plus f whole square. 27 लेफ्ट साइड लेकर के जाइए. 27 v to the power 4 equal to 4 9 minus twice f into 9 plus f whole square. This one. We have got this one. पूछा क्या गया था? 27 v to the power 4 into 9 minus twice f 9 plus f whole square. 9 minus 9 plus f whole square. Therefore, we have proved this one. We have solved 2 problems today. Thanks for attending the class. Thank you very much. Namaskar.